Hello, my beautiful people. Today I bring update to you from Riverbank Estates, one of the most sought after location in the city of Enugu at Ibawanike precisely. You can see that our drainage is ongoing and we are still running promo in this particular estate. The best time to say yes is now. This estate is adjacent Elim Estate and Vivian Estate, very close to Hosanna Estate. You get to this estate before Network Estate and is not far from Landmark Naked Lake Resort. The best time to say yes in this estate is now, and you will not regret buying from this particular property. And it comes with a general CFO,